Does cracking your knuckles actually give you arthritis? We have all heard the warning, but here is what really happens inside your finger. Your joints contain a lubricant called synovial fluid, which is full of dissolved gases like nitrogen. When you pull or bend your finger, you stretch the joint capsule, creating negative pressure. This causes the gas to rapidly form a bubble and collapse. Pop! That sound is just a gas bubble bursting, not bones rubbing together. So scientifically, it is harmless, even though people ask,